Hello guys, what is up? Welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, what I will be showing you how to do is how to use your shields to protect yourself and your buildings from attacks in Monopoly Go. Let's get started. This is quite a simple and easy method, and it is done automatically, which means that you actually don't have to do anything. As you can see in the top right, I have 4 shields collected in my inventory, and the way you collect these shields is by standing or getting your figure on any one of these tiles on your board that has a shield. Once you stand on it, that shield will be added to your inventory, and then it will be protecting you from any attacks. The way that you'll get attacked by people is when somebody lands on these train station tiles, such as this one. You will get possibly attacked if they get a shutdown event. If they get a shutdown event, they can target one of your buildings, such as these, and when they target it, that building will be disabled and you won't be able to upgrade it until you fix it. The way you protect your buildings with your shields is simply by having them, guys. It is done automatically, as I've said. And if you have shields in your inventory, whenever somebody gets the shutdown event, if they try to attack one of your buildings, a shield will be spent, but your building, your structure will be perfectly safe, and you won't have to repair it at all, guys. Which is, I think we all can agree, quite good, and what we want. That is pretty much it. I don't want to complicate this any further. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Give me your feedback, and I will see you in another video. Goodbye.